Hello everyone, Dr. Ibtisam, your dentist here. Let's know quickly about rare dental conditions involving genetic conditions today. Andonesia or missing tooth, aminogenesis imperfecta may show symptoms like brittle or discolored teeth. Dentogenesis imperfecta may cause bluish grey-brown dentin layer. Canon's curves looks like an extra bomb-like structure on the backside of your tooth. Echodermal dysplasia may cause abnormal or too conical shape of the tooth. Another very rare condition is sharp teeth, that is eruption of permanent teeth before the baby teeth falls out. It seems like a two-row teeth. To know more about your rare dental conditions, let's book an appointment to your nearest dentist and let's know what are the abnormalities need to be found inside your oral cavity. Thank you.